Hi Kindergarten, today we are going to be introduced to our new sight words for the week. We are going to follow the read, spell, write routine. So if you want to get out a piece of paper and a pencil to write, this would be a good time to do so. Or you can just write the word with your finger in the air. Now let's look at our first sight word for the week. The word is good. Your turn, say the word good. The word good is spelled G-O-O-D. Your turn, spell the word good. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word good. I'm going to use the word good in a sentence. Miss Allinger had a good day. Our second new word for the week is who. The word is who. Your turn, say the word who. The word who is spelled W-H-O. Your turn, spell the word who. Now let's write the word. Use your pencil and paper or your finger to write the word who. I'm going to use who in a sentence. Who do you see? Now, who is a question word, as when you ask a question, you will sometimes ask who. So before we go, let's look at some sentences. Try to read these sentences and point to the words good and who. Now remember, since who is a question word, I would also like for you to point to the question marks. Pause the video if you need time for reading.